Killer Road, deep in the Himalayas, is one of the most dangerous in the world. One reckless turn could send drivers hurtling down nearly 11,000 feet.
अगर आप मौत से डरते हो तो आपको ट्रक ड्राइविंग तो क्या आपको ट्रक पे बैठना भी चाहिए.
Shit, that looks scary.
क्योंकि आप
Look at the back tire, my God.
पे मौत किसी भी टाइम किसी भी पल आ सकती है.
Still, every summer, Ankur Rawat
Oh my God.
makes several trips, delivering basic supplies to remote villages along this perilous route. It connects the rest of India to the isolated region of Pangi Valley.
Wow. I mean, go back. That.
It connects the rest of India to the
This looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, I can go for a drive on this road. But not if the roads are like that. But from here, it looks absolutely stunning. Those clouds.
isolated region of Pangi Valley, which is cut off
Oh my
for
God, look at this. It's very easy for him to tumble down and hit the other truck.
nearly 6 months of the year because of heavy snow.
ये तो सर इनकी लाइफ लाइन, अगर फूड ही नहीं यहाँ पहुँचेगा तो कैसे सरवाइव कर पाएंगे.
Okay, so he's basically transporting the supplies to a village, isolated village. And there is a lot of snow, so they have to stock up for the winter, I guess.
But sometimes trucks break down along the way,
What?
leaving
Yeah, of course, trucks break down. I mean, but if they break down here, how are you going to fix it? I mean, look at that. There's hardly any place to move around. I mean, I don't know.
drivers stranded for days.
Oh, this truck is broken down?
So, what does it take to navigate these heavy-duty
What's with the windshield? I mean, maybe some rock fell down?
trucks on this deadly path? We rode along with Anku through the mountains for 3 days to find out.
Risky business. Of course it is. Oh. I think the ride is worth the view. I mean, look at that. Is this India?
Anku lives in the village of Palhoon
Anku.
with his wife Sabita and their children.
Beautiful house.
He never really knows what the weather will be. So he packs plenty of blankets.
You should.
This
Wow, look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's every man's dream right there. Great, isn't it? I mean, he can be rich, he can be poor. I mean, how many of us have this? I mean, maybe when we were children we did, but once we grow up, yes, yeah, this is what family looks like. So he has 3 kids, 1, 2, 3.
They sit down for a family dinner.
Oh, he has 4 kids. A family dinner. I mean, go
Before
back to that.
they
one more
sit
second.
down
I'm
for a-
sorry. I mean, the kind of job he does, so it's not really sure that he's going to come back. Anything might happen, but so keeping that in mind, I think every dinner he has before he leaves is probably going to be the last dinner, right?
A family dinner before Anku sets off.
Uncle. Oh, that's beautiful.
He first picks up the truck from a private parking lot that rents them out.
It's already raining. Great start.
This one has a power steering and a 5600cc engine, ideal for driving through the mountains.
Yeah.
जितने भी हम ट्रक ड्राइवर होते हैं ना, हमारी सबकी मोड़नी होती है गाड़ी. ये सबकी मोड़नी होती है. ये हमारी जान होती है.
Oh, it's like a peacock. Yes, pray to God. All the
मुझे
switches
अपने
on.
घर का उतना पता है जितना मुझे गाड़ी के कोने-कोने का पता है.
Yeah, he knows his truck. Let's go. Wait a minute. What's all this cable and broken dashboard?
Anku will make a few pit stops on this 107-mile journey.
107-mile journey. So that's like, how many kilometers is that? Something like 170 kilometers? Wow.
He'll travel about 10 miles from his home to a warehouse in Chamba to pick up food rations.
Okay.
Then he'll pass through several small towns and go through Sach Pass,
Sach
the
Pass.
highest point on Killar Road,
14,000
before reaching his destination, the district of Pangi Valley.
Pangi Valley. Okay.
Today, Anku's loading 100-pound bags of wheat
Oh, wheat.
provided by the government to sustain India's most isolated regions.
Oh, so he's basically doing the government's job. So is he a government employee?
His truck can carry up to 12 tons,
Okay.
but any more than that and it could topple over.
Oh. He has to be careful.
He always stops at
Oh, that's a beautiful temple.
this local temple along the way.
Yes, sir. Wow, look at that mustache. It's a beautiful mustache.
तो मेरे तो बस ये जिंदगी में एक ही मकसद है कि मालिक
He's a
सही
man
सलामत
on a
रखे
mission.
और मैं मेरे परिवार को मेरी जरूरत है.
Who's this guy? Let's go.
The truck can hold up to 250 liters of diesel.
Yes, diesel. Yeah, you're not going to get diesel on the way. So you have to fill up.
But there are hardly any gas stations along the route.
Right?
जब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं तो अपना तेल लेके भी आते हैं क्योंकि ट्रक टुक्को में फिर तेल खत्म हो जाएगा तो कहाँ से लाएंगे.
That is smart. Let's go.
The terrain starts off pretty
Beautiful.
smooth.
It's beautiful. Oh, this
But
is not
as the
beautiful.
truck goes uphill, it gets rough
Yeah.
and his speed drops below 10 miles per hour.
Below 10 miles. So when are you going to reach 107 miles? It's going to take days.
At this point, the road is only 10 feet wide.
Shit. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a tire. So, I mean, hardly there's any space. Oh
And
my
there's barely
God.
room for 2 cars to drive
Oh,
next
this is two-way. I thought this was one way. So this is two-way. I mean, where is this Jeep guy going to go?
to each other.
Oh, who's this guy?
So when another vehicle approaches,
Oh my God.
Uncle needs to carefully reverse, sometimes by hundreds of yards.
इन सड़कों पे 2 घंटे 3 घंटे एक पिकअप आ गई आगे से ट्रक रुक गई 4 घंटे 5 घंटे पूरा दिन जाम लगा नॉर्मल सी बात है.
So
Luckily,
you have to keep
he's
backing
traveling
up.
with truck conductor Muhammad Nisar Moghal, who jumps
Mm-hmm.
out and guides Anku around blind spots and dangerous turns.
So this is the conductor who was taking that photo. Okay. Yeah, so he needs support, right? So he cannot do it alone.
आगे पीछे देखना पड़ता है कि गाड़ी कहीं टच नहीं हो जाए ऊपर.
Right. आने दो.
कभी गाड़ी नहीं चढ़ती है तो मतलब पत्थर लगा के फिर चढ़ाना पड़ता है.
What? Sometimes the truck doesn't climb, so we have to put rocks behind the tires. Oh. Okay, so the conductor plays an equal part. I think this is teamwork. Great.
ऐसे.
There are
Look at
no
that.
guardrails to prevent them from veering off.
क्योंकि पहाड़ों पे कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बारिश में जब हम गाड़ी चलाते हैं अगर ब्रेक
By the way, where is the cameraman standing now? We don't have to worry about him because the cameraman never dies.
2 इंच अगर लेट लगी ना
Oh my
तो गाड़ी
God.
स्किड हो जाती है.
In July 2022,
What's
a
that?
Jeep rolled into a gorge, killing 5 people. And in 2023, 7 people died after the vehicle was hit by a landslide on this route.
Oh my God.
होता है कई बार ऐसा हमारे सामने गाड़ियाँ गिरती हैं लोग मरते हैं तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि आज ये है कल नंबर मेरे भी आ सकते हैं.
True.
But after years of experience as a trucker, Anku isn't easily intimidated.
Look at him. He's the goat. He's not intimidated, definitely. He's put on his sunglasses and he's ready to go.
इन्हीं रोड में सीखे हैं इन रोड में चलते हैं.
Uh-huh.
बस मेन रोड पे जहाँ 4 लाइन आ गई वहाँ हमारी टांगे मेरी टांगे कांप जाती है भाई.
All the traditional rules of the road don't really apply.
Traffic jam.
Truck drivers communicate with hand signals,
Why is it
which
blurred?
becomes important during moments of congestion like this.
हमने ऐसे किए तो ऐसे किया कई बार हम ऐसे करते हैं कई बार हम ऐसे करते हैं कई बार हम ऐसे करते हैं तो इसके बड़े साइन होते हैं.
What is this?
They also use pressure horns,
Okay.
which are illegal in India.
Of course.
But Anku says they need them for safety
Yeah,
reasons.
over here. Yes.
अगर इन पहाड़ों पे ये प्रेशर होना हो तो आगे से आने वाली गाड़ी को क्या पता लगेगा कि छोटी गाड़ी की बड़ी गाड़ी है.
Anku
Right.
doesn't wear a seatbelt either, even though under Indian law,
Seat belt. Well, I have never seen an Indian truck driver ever wear a seat belt. But that's on normal roads.
he's required to. He says for this
Shit! Where are you going? Where are you going?
type of driving, they can do more harm than good, as they restrict the driver from leaning over.
सीट बेल्ट पहाड़ों पे मौत है.
But stats in
yeah.
semi-truck accidents show that drivers are more likely to survive if they buckle up.
But probably most of those stats came from regular roads, not this particular road.
In this state alone, trucks and buses accounted for 12% of all fatal crashes in 2022.
Yeah. I mean, look at that.
Landslides and snowfall have also weakened this road structure.
Oh, you have
forming
landslides too. Oh my God. The difficulty level just keeps increasing.
ditches and piles of debris. So the government hires contractors to keep repairing it.
Oh, I was wondering why they didn't lay proper roads. But you have landslides and you have snowfall, so I don't know. These are the contractors? Okay.
Kilar Road started off as a footpath with narrow trails carved by shepherds and traders who were trying to reach the remote Pangi Valley.
Oh. So what were people doing before the trucks came? They should have probably used some kind of animals, right? Like horses. And probably they carried all the supplies on foot. Yeah.
Legend has it that residents of Chamba fled to the hidden region to escape Mughal invaders.
Oh, that makes sense.
Others believe that in the 16th century, the king of Chamba banished criminals to this isolated region.
Oh, sort of like
These days,
Australia.
Kilar Road is used mainly by tourists,
this?
bikers seeking an adrenaline rush, truckers,
Freaking
and
bikers.
local residents.
Ruining things.
After about 8 to 9 hours
Wow,
of
look at
driving,
I mean, that's just beautiful, isn't it? Oh, there's a waterfall. Did you see the waterfall?
after about 8 to 9
See,
hours
there's a waterfall. Oh my God. I mean, I'll just stop the truck and just enjoy the view.
of driving, the men pull over.
What's he
They
doing?
make a fire to start cooking
Oh.
with groceries they brought from home. But even during dinner, they stay vigilant
Why?
in case they're confronted by wild animals or thieves.
Thieves?
रात को गाड़ी लोड होती है तो लेकिन हम इतने मतलब चौकस होते हैं कि जरा सी भी आवाज कर दे गाड़ी तो एकदम नींद खुल जाती है कि क्या हुआ.
Yeah, you have to be vigilant. That's
There are
right.
no hotels for miles,
course.
so they sleep in the truck's cabin.
Oh, that's
आप मुझे
sad.
किसी होटल में ले जाओ, वीआईपी कमरे पे आप मुझे सुला दो ना, पर जो मुझे फील गाड़ी में बैठ के आता है ना, तो ये तो हमारी माँ होती है, ये हमारा घर होता है ये.
That's beautiful.
चल उठ जा.
Time to sleep.
The next day, they start driving at the crack of
Yeah,
dawn.
let's go.
Kilar Road gets
Oh my
even more
God. 1, 2, 3.
treacherous and spectacular as trucks pass through waterfalls.
Free water wash.
And
This is like a video game. The difficulty level keeps increasing.
incredibly tight spaces.
Oh my God.
जब मैं ये ट्रक लेके आया था तो मुझे लोग मना कर रहे थे कि भाई ये बड़ी हाइट है.
Uh-huh.
Vehicles along this route often run into mechanical problems. This truck carrying
not
grains to Pangi Valley broke down after the gearbox stopped working.
Oh, these guys are screwed.
Mechanic says the nearest store for car parts is about 180 miles away.
Miles.
हाँ मैं ही आता हूँ यहाँ. अब हम यहाँ से कम 20 किलोमीटर दूर जाएंगे पैदल.
Why?
वहाँ पर जरा सा सिग्नल आएगा मोबाइल का.
Oh, right.
वहाँ से फोन करेंगे.
So you're not going to get cell phone signal either. So you have to walk till you get the signal and call somebody so that they can bring you the parts.
मैसेज देंगे किसी बंदे को. फिर वहाँ से सामान भेजेंगे वो.
The whole process will take 4
4
days,
days.
and the truck will just stay here until then.
You're just stuck there. Wow, this is
Anku and his
beautiful.
team carry on with their journey.
Oh, who are these people? I guess they are the locals. That mustache.
At around midday,
What's this?
they stop at a local dhaba for a quick
Dhaba. Sharma Dhaba. What's that? I don't know. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Omelette, tea, coffee, Maggie. That's good enough?
bite.
Wow, this is a beautiful setup, isn't it? Blue, red, and retro radio. What does he have? A Paliji? I don't know what this is. Some sort of bread, maybe. Again, some biscuits, some tea.
These cafes cater to truck drivers. The people who run them, like Lakshman Sharma, understand how hard it is to drive around here.
What a legend.
भगाने की रोड नहीं है तो भगाना कहाँ से है?
Uh-huh.
बंदा पैदल चलेगा तो बंदा पहले पहुंच जाएगा बैरागढ़ और किलाड़ में तो गाड़ियाँ उसके बाद पहुंचेगी.
Wow, after that long drive, I think this food is going to taste like heaven, really.
But even these cafes close down once it starts snowing around October.
Oh. What is saying?
और इन ड्राइवरों को हम इतना लाइक करते हैं कि जो इस रोड पे ये ट्रक और बस लेके आते जाते हैं.
Of course, they are the real heroes.
और इनकी हिम्मत को हम दाग देते
Did he just
करते हैं
buy
कि जो इस
chili?
रोड पे ये ट्रक और बस लेके आते जाते हैं और इनकी हिम्मत को हम दाग देते हैं.
While Anku's job is an essential service, he only makes about 10,000 rupees a
What?
month.
10,000 a month? I mean, this guy is putting his life on the line and he has 4 kids. He's supplying to an entire village. If he doesn't go, they don't eat. And he just makes 10,000 a month? Oh my God. That's just unfair. That's just unfair.
That's about $4 US a day.
No.
Enough to buy a few pounds of rice and lentils in India.
How is that enough?
हमारे भारतवर्ष में ना सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत ट्रक ड्राइवर थे और सैलरी
Yeah.
के नाम पे कुछ भी नहीं है.
He could make about 25,000 rupees a month as a personal driver in Delhi or Bombay.
Yeah, that's correct.
But his heart belongs here in the Himalayas. And he wants the whole world to know how beautiful these mountains are.
Yeah, he doesn't want to leave. I mean, if the place is this beautiful, who would want to leave, right?
हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप?
What's this?
आप सब बढ़िया होंगे भाई.
So he vlogs on the side.
Oh, great.
He has about 50,000 followers and
That's just beautiful, you know. That's why we love the internet. That's why YouTube is great. He may not be making much money driving the truck, but I think by vlogging, I think he has 48,000 subscribers. That's just great. Let me also find out if I can subscribe. What is his name? Ankur Rawat. Ankur. Okay, so he has got 52,000 now, so he's growing. So he just got one more subscriber, sir. Let's go.
counting on YouTube.
ये वीडियो देखने के बाद आप बोलोगे भाई पांगी हम नहीं जाएंगे यार.
आने दो.
मुझे उतनी ब्लॉगिंग तो करनी आती नहीं पर मैंने कोशिश की तो
That's okay.
ब्लॉगिंग से पैसा तो नहीं आया पर चलो इतना है कि लोग जाने लग पड़े और मैं दिखाता हूँ लोगों की पहाड़ों पे कितने रिस्की काम होता है.
Of course, if YouTube wasn't there, who would have known such a man existed, right?
But the most treacherous part of this route is getting through Sach Pass.
What is
At
that?
nearly 14,500 feet, Sach Pass is one of the highest navigable places in the state of Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, this is in Himachal.
Drivers are advised not to stop at the top for more than 5 minutes.
Why?
Because there's so little oxygen in the air.
Oh, that's right. So you don't get oxygen, I think you will pass out, right?
Road through here is even more narrow,
Oh my God.
barely more than 8
Oh,
feet.
look at that. How do you trust the road there? I mean, how do you go? What if this just gives up and just, I mean, and then you're on a death roll? Oh my God.
Feet wide. So, Anku needs to be extremely mindful when navigating the steep slope.
Yeah.
पर साच पास में आज दिन तक जो गाड़ी फंसी है ना सीजन के टाइम में तो वो गाड़ी कभी फिर बनी नहीं फिर।
Oh my
और साथ
God.
पास में आप जैसे मैं ट्रक है हमारा ना, हम ट्रक वाले कभी गाड़ी बंद नहीं करते हैं।
Yeah.
अगर गाड़ी बंद कर दी फिर मुड़ के स्टार्ट नहीं होगी।
Don't kill the engine, then you're never gonna get it started. Don't kill the engine. Look at that gorge.
आने दो आने दो आने दो आने दो आने दो
Oh
आने दो
my
आने दो
God.
आने दो 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 आने दो।
Shit! Look at
It
that.
takes him about 3 to 4 hours to go through this 9-mile stretch.
3 to 4 hours. Shit. I mean, shout out to the conductor. He has to be sharp, right? He cannot lose focus. He's the one guiding him. So if he just misses his focus for a second, then I think he's not gonna have a friend.
उसाई अपने साइड रखो। आने दो आने दो आने दो
Oh shit.
आने दो 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 सही आने दो 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 आने दो।
Oh my god.
After they're through, Anku recaps the journey for his followers.
ओ भाई वो क्या ही रोड था, एक तो आधा टायर बाहर और ऊपर गाड़ी खराब हो गई ना, खाने को कुछ। इतने स्ट्रगल को हम झेलते हुए ना अब पहुंच गए अपने किलाड़।
And he says he
Killar
doesn't know
is
how to
among
vlog.
106 villages in Pangi Valley,
Oh, wow.
which has a total population of just
18,000.
18,000 people.
साल के तो कोई 6 महीने तो ये डिस्कनेक्ट ही रहता है। ये
Right.
वनस्पति वगैरह ये सब खत्म हो जाती है एक बर्फ से ही।
Almost 200 trucks head there every summer, carrying
Oh, so he's not the only person. So there are 199 others.
food,
Heroes.
medicine, and other basic supplies.
National heroes.
They're stored at this warehouse for the winter, and residents buy them at a subsidized rate set by the government.
Oh, that's good. That's
अगर
good.
वो ट्रक ना पहुंचे तब तो सर इनकी लाइफ लाइन बिल्कुल ही
Yeah.
डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी।
Yeah. True.
As
Oh,
soon as they're
goats.
done unloading, Anku and his colleagues hit
I
the
mean, you can just see only the clouds. And goats.
road.
Oh, this guy is the one, cameraman. Is he the conductor? I think so.
Along the way, they pass by a nomadic community called the Gujars.
Who is this? Making tea?
For Anku, catching up with them over a cup of tea has become a ritual.
Oh, that's cool. Sonia.
Even though driving through these mountains is a part of Anku's identity,
All refreshed. Let's go again.
the job has worn him down.
No, he doesn't look worn
शुरू में
down.
जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था तो मुझे मेरे पापा बोलते थे कि भाई मैंने कोई एरोप्लेन वगैरह लाया, खिलौने वगैरह लेके आता था, तो मैं बोलता कि मुझे ट्रक चाहिए, ट्रक ही चाहिए।
Oh.
अब शौक था पहले, अब मजबूरी बन चुकी है।
Oh no. That's
But
beautiful.
he still yearns for the day he can truly enjoy the breathtaking nature around him.
तो मैं 7 सालों में जितनी बार ट्रक लेके आया ना, मुझे वो मौका ही नहीं
That's
मिला कि
right. I mean, when you're focused on the driving and not dying, there is no time for you to enjoy the views, right? Oh, that sucks.
मैं ध्यान से देखूं, फैमिली के साथ आऊंगा मैं तो फिर मैं पूरा एंजॉय
Yeah,
लूंगा,
family.
थोड़ा रुक के ना।
You have to. He's back. He's back home. What a story. What a story. That's beautiful. So, these are the kind of national heroes that we hardly ever talk about, right? I mean, they are the lifelines of the country, and especially during crisis times like COVID, they didn't stop working. They couldn't. They cannot. Otherwise, the entire nation would be starving, right? So, that's great. I mean, whatever Business Insider did, that's great. I mean, I hope his channel grows further, and all the more power to him. But 10,000 rupees a month, I hope somebody does something about that. Really, that's just atrocious. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. So thank you so much for just hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.